diving into the ocean of imagination, exploring creative expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful phrase that paints a picture with words, ocean of imagination. This phrase is a perfect example of how English can be used to express complex and abstract ideas in a poetic way. So, grab your diving gear because we're about to plunge into the depths of creativity and understanding. The phrase, ocean of imagination, is a metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase is applied to an object or action to which it is not literally applicable. It's a way to compare two things without using like or as, which would make it a simile. In our phrase, the ocean represents something vast, deep, and seemingly endless. The imagination refers to the human capacity to create, think about, and explore worlds, ideas, and scenarios that don't exist in reality. When we say ocean of imagination, we're talking about the limitless and profound potential of our minds to invent and dream. Imagination is a crucial part of learning and understanding languages. It allows us to comprehend stories, jokes, and expressions that might not make sense if taken literally. By visualizing the ocean of imagination, we're reminded that language is not just about rules and vocabulary. It's also about the endless possibilities for creativity and expression. This phrase encourages us to dive deeper into our minds, explore new ideas, and express ourselves in unique and creative ways. It's a reminder that learning a language opens up a whole new world of imagination and creativity. Now, let's see how we can use this beautiful metaphor in our conversations or writing. Whenever I read a fantasy novel, I feel like I'm sailing across an ocean of imagination. The artist's studio was an ocean of imagination, filled with colorful paintings and sculptures. To solve complex problems, one must dive into an ocean of imagination and explore all possible solutions. And that's our journey through the ocean of imagination. I hope this video inspires you to unleash your creativity and explore the vastness of your own imagination. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication. It's a bridge to worlds unseen and stories untold. Keep diving deep, keep exploring, and never stop imagining. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.